the one our DPM made public to everybody. Said before the convention, he was given 15 million, which our PM approved to unveil our police, Biafran police in Finland. We did not see anything. And he have not come out to debunk it. None of them have said anything about it. What is wrong with our people, man?
Ogenkere also told you that. How many of you remember the broadcast that he made where he talked about, where he said that that Solomon and his deputy was calling Butoso, and that number they called is old line. That now they cannot reach out to him. Do you understand?
They changed. He said he tell Butoso to change line.
Meaning that listen. Then
why are they blaming COS?
After saying that on air, then if anything happens, Ngozi cannot do anything. Our land is burning. Our land is on fire. And let me tell you, it's not as if those people saying that in the know. I will mention them here. Remedies own is because of Caterpillar. He pretend he don't want to use that to stand on that as a man, like a man. He choose to pretend that he don't understand. He use another reason. Then Ada the same thing because of issue how we see us, but they will use those things that they understand, they know to confuse you. My brother, thank you for your time, my dear. Thank you. God bless you.
It's okay. All we know is that the same thing that happened between DOS and our BM is the same thing that is playing out now, because the more they propagate against our DPM, the more they announce her. The more our Biafran people see the truth.
That is true.
So that is where we are heading to. In no distant time, everything will unfold. They will still go underground the way the US go. Thank you, my brother. We are together in this struggle. I've said this time with that number. It doesn't matter who you are. It doesn't matter how close we are. Once you are not doing the right thing,
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So you told me the other day. You are the one that told me that Rafael Ajere, we were like calling my name in his program.
Yeah.
Listen, I'm a good fan of him, but he deviated. He can't be there. Even you see all these people, there's where I do my things. And I know it's the spirit of Biafra that lets me at it. Once you deviated, the hunger of me coming to your platform, I will lose it. I can't even come there and be commenting, you are this, you are that. You can't even see me. I can't come there again. That's me for you. I don't want to come there to start battling what with you. No. In that one, so on subscribe, I can only listen your program via my people, just the way you are playing Adajo Rama this thing now. This is Adajo Rama now. When they wake her up now, bringing her own video, bringing her present video, what question does she need to ask herself? That means those things she said before are all lies.
That's another thing.
When you hear something, you cannot go and verify the information. You come to public. Tomorrow you don't trace this thing. Start talking about rubbish. Only time will tell. USB is where we stand. No going back. No going back.
Thank you.
There is another thing. Sorry. There is another thing. You see, illiteracy have dealt with this struggle. Our PM said this thing earlier on. Okay, now they want our DPM to start Basbos with just making alliances with people. They are so called. They are promoting you. They are busy photoshopping everything. When they Photoshop, they will bring it out. Say meeting congressmen who is who. Do blah 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 blah. We are waiting for them. After 30th of May, then I'm going to happen. Thank you, my brother. I respect you.
Thank you. God bless you. Thank you for that. Hello. I think you have called, this person have called before. Am I? Hello.
Yep. Hi. Greetings.
Greetings to you. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you